And we now move on to step 28, and we are going to attach the shocks to the car. And a few components, obviously the shocks that we built in steps 25, 26 and 27. We need our chassis. We need these red components, which are off the OT210R, and these are components number 1. Then we need 4 of those. And we need 4 of our nylon nuts, the M3 nylon nuts, and of course our suspension. Now this is very straightforward. Take one of our part 1s of our OT210Rs, place that over the top of the thread there. Take one of our shocks, place that and pop that over the ball joint, should we say. Give it a good push, there we are. Collect the top, like we have done. Take one of our locking nylon nuts and place that over the top. And use our little box wrench, shall we, to just tighten that down. And it says, do not over tighten. You just need enough. So just do it as tops. Yeah, I should now do that with the other one. There we go. Yeah. And we do the same again. There we are. And do the same again for the rear of the car. So I'm just going to bring that into shot, hopefully. Same pattern again. One of those. There we are. Pop that on there. Not on that. Box wrench. Done. Piece of cake. The only thing I am going to do is I've just noticed that I've got these nicely facing forward, and I've got this one nicely facing forward, but this one I haven't. So I've just got to pop that off the bottom. Pop that one back off again, because I like to be facing forward. It's not a bad thing, is it? There we are. There we go. Facing forward. Sorry, had to be done. You've got to build a model, may as well make it look neat and tidy for your first shot. There we are. So that's now in and done. That's step 28 completed.